Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I hope you are all doing well and enjoy the beauty of spring. Today I am sharing Easter decoration ideas for hanging decoration and beautiful dining tables and centerpieces. These ideas are simple, elegant, and perfect for Easter celebration. Let's begin. Easter caling hanging decoration. Easter caling decoration add a magical feeling to the room. They make the space look festive, light, and joyful. You can hang Easter eggs using ribbon or clear thread. Pastel colors like pink, white, yellow, and light green work best. Keep the egg light too, so they gently move with the airs. You can also hang small flowers, half greeny rings, add flowers, ribbon, or tiny bunnies details. This creative soft spring look above the tables. Paper decoration or another easy idea is butterfly flowers or egg shapes look beautiful when hanging. Place them at different heights for a natural effect. Scaling decoration make the dining area feel special. It's a charm without taking up table space. Simple hanging details can change the whole mood of the room. Easter dining centerpiece. Now let's move to the dining table centerpiece. The centerpiece bring everything together. Start with a tray, tables, runner, or simple ways. This help keep the decoration neat and balanced. And flowers in the center. Spring flowers like tulips, rose, or daisy are perfect choice. Soft colors to match the Easter theme. Decorative eggs add a festive touch. Place them around the flowers or inside small bowls. Keep the arrangement low so everyone can see each other. You can also add greenery for freshness. Green leaves make the tables feel alive and natural. Candles are often but very beautiful. They add warm and cozy feeling to the table. Choose small candles for a soft glow. This centerpiece is perfect for Easter breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's feel welcome, calm, and full of spring joy. And viewer styling tip: when caling decoration and table centerpiece match, the space look more elegant and complete. Use the same colors for both. Keep everything light and simple. This creative a peaceful Easter atmospheres and viewers caling decoration add a lights and dreamy feeling to Easter decoration. They make the room feel open and joy. You can hang festive eats, eggs, use ribbon, choose soft colors to keep the look clean. Hang them at different heights for a natural style. Flowers, garlands, or creamy rings so also look beautiful. They bring freshness and a spring touch to the space. Keep the design simple and not too heavy. This hanging decoration makes the dining area feel special. They add beauty without failing the tables. Dining table for the tables, use a simple centerpiece. Use a tray or runner to create a clean base. Add flowers in the centers of rings. Color work best for Easter decoration. Egg or small bunnies add charm. Greeny help balance the arrangement. Everything should feel light and relaxed. This centerpiece is perfect for